This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. An administrative message has been issued for the entire state of Blizzardia. All restrictions have been lifted. We won. It is safe outside again. The Blizzardia Weather Research had found no further large snowstorms or blizzards coming since the portals have closed. During the battle, the Blizzard Guardian had summoned a portal and transported both the Frost Emperor and the Frost Prince, with himself possibly, to the Frost Dimension. We are unable to find this out as of this moment, because as soon as they had disappeared into the portal, the other 4 portals started to close. 3 hours later, all 4 of them were closed. There are only ice crystals left. Everyone who were evacuated are now allowed to return and are also given a chance to be transported back for free. But no one is allowed to approach the remains of the portals. Be careful, however, some entities didn't make it back to the portals and are now wandering around while others melted. If you see one of these entities, then do not approach them and call the SAOV. Emergency services are now also in full operation. We would now like to say thank you to every brave soul who helped us or someone in need. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.